If you ever encounter any technical issues on your project or run into what seems like a bug, we want you to know that we're here for you and are happy to join your script to help troubleshoot the problem. We wanted to make it as easy as possible to share your project with us, even if you have a free account and don't technically have the ability to share a script. To do this, you can go to the Help menu in your upper menu bar. If you're using the simplified layout, just click the 3 lines on your left-hand side, and you'll see all these exact same options. So click on Help, and we're going to go down to Share Doc with WriterDuet. So what this will do is generate a share link that will let a member of our team join your script and take a look at the problem that you've described. It's important to note that this won't give you a field to describe what issue you're encountering, so we really recommend using this if you've already sent us an email to help@writerduet.com, or if we're currently speaking with you already and we just ask you to share your script with us. We wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to share the script with us without having to deal with the share widget or any permissions that might come along with your plan. So once you click share, we'll automatically send that link to us in an email so we can join the script and get you back to writing.